Hey guys, me again. Today I'm going to show you my Angry Bird. Oh yeah. If you're wondering about the scenery, I know it's different. The lighting's a bit different. There we go. The lighting's a bit different. Because I'm in the kitchen. See, over there. Microwave right there. Snack cabinet. Yeah. See, where I usually do it over there. That's the living room. Now I'm doing it in the kitchen. Yeah, my Angry Bird Claymore or something. My UCAM things. Oh yeah, before I do this, I'm gonna show you the Angry Bird plush toy that I got in Bath. I mean Bath, Maine. Yeah. One sec. Sorry about that. It's Green Bird. Make sound. I call him Beak, because he's mostly a beak. And here is my Angry Bird Claymores. This is actually supposed to be Angry Bird Star Wars Claymores Round 3. Yeah, if you haven't seen Part 1 and Part 2, they're up. I mean, you can watch them. Sorry. Don't know why I'm so itchy. Sorry. This is also a regular Angry Bird Claymore review. Well, not really a review, like showing. Yeah, I do make regular Angry Birds. I mean, like, pretty much all of the Angry Bird games at one point. Okay, so here's the regular Angry Birds. Also the regular first, since it went before the Angry Birds Star. Yeah. Redbird, Blue Wheel 2. I think this one, the next one came out better. Terrence! Yeah, he came out pretty... Sorry. What's that? Sorry about that, guys. My Tinder's ready, so... Yeah. So here is my Angry Bird Star Wars Claymores. Hi. Say hi, Dad.
Hi there.
Okay. That smells good. Okay. Here is my Angry Bird Star Wars Claymores. I'm so itchy. Okay. The first one, Princess Leia Boost Bird. I call it Boost. You can call it Bosch. I don't know. I know it's kind of a weird color. Maybe like on the UCAM it's like more violet, but this is just like purple. Yeah, purple. Yeah, Princess Leia Boosh. Haven't seen her in the game yet. Probably might be in the picture when she's getting Hans out of carbonite. Yeah, here is my Knock Pig. I wanted to put the tail like that, but how would I set it down? Like on my shelf. So, yeah. Sorry about that little dripping. Can I close these cabinets? Okay. Sorry. Okay. Lando Bird. It's Lando Bird. I made him up. It's Lando. He's based off Green Bird, technically, since he's green. So, yeah. I hope you liked it. Yeah. So, that's it. See you guys.